what's your approach within Blue Iris in terms of what you're using from tech, and how you think it just might affect what we all do in the future, I guess, not just construction consultancies.
I find it really interesting. So we talk about it a lot.
Yeah.
I'm working in the public sector. For us, BIM has been mandated since I think it was 2016. And when I talk to colleagues who work in commercial and other sectors, they go, we don't do the BIM. And I'm like, what do you mean you don't do it? It's so, designing fully integrated CAD models with Kobe has been day to day for me for nearly 10 years.
Yeah.
What do you mean you don't do it in your big shiny towers? It's too complicated and expensive. I'm like, if I can do it on a primary school, you can do it on that big hunking thing. So
in theory, should make the process simpler and save money, you'd think, long term, you'd assume.
So the technology,
if done properly.
Yeah. So the technology's been there and growing for a while. I think there will continue to be some resistance to it, largely because I think there are drivers in this industry where it benefits them not to fully embrace it. There's a fair amount of greed kicking around, and why would you embrace something and promote something that might see you out of a job? So I think the fact that we're 10 years on from the government mandate for BIM and it's not fully integrated in all elements of our industry makes me somewhat sceptical that we're going to see an immediate revolution. But I hope we can, because I think there's a real opportunity there, as long as we're sensible about it and check it. Yeah. And I think until there's an amnesty, if that's the right word, of data, I think there'll always be some limitations to it. Because in theory, the models are there. If the benchmark data on costs and component costs and labour costs are all there, then the building should be largely designing and then costing itself.